So hi team. So today with us Chandana Sree. Sree is from basically Alwal. So she completed her graduation from Shiva Shivani College, and after that, she started so hunting for the jobs. Then she got to know about SV professionals, and she approached us, and even she and one more her friends both are came. So both got selected with the good companies. So now, like Manichandana got selected with a big four company, even her friend got selected with a Cognizant. Okay. So coming to Manichandana, like currently she is pursuing MBA, and at the same time she got an offer with the Deloitte. So how her journey could be continued, and what are the challenges she faced, how much time it would be take, and which so how many interview rounds were completed, and how those finally she got succeeded. Today we will see with this video. So hi Chandana, sorry. How
Hi,
are you,
sir.
Amma?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great. Thanks for that. So first of all, congratulations for
Thank you,
your
sir.
success. I really appreciate.
Thank you.
So Deloitte, a dream company, right?
Yes, sir.
ఎవరికైనా అంతే కదా. సో డెలైట్ లాంటి కంపెనీలో ఫస్ట్ ఇనీషియల్ గా కోర్ సైడ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయడం అనేది ఇట్స్ అ డ్రీమ్.
Yes,
ఫైనల్లీ యూ క్రాక్డ్ ఇట్.
yes, sir.
సో how you're feeling now?
I'm feeling very happy, sir. For
Happy?
placed in Big Four company at Deloitte
Yeah, the
in a
starting.
good role, accounts receivable.
Super.
I'm feeling very good, sir.
Nice. So when you visited SV Professional, you so you feel like you will get a job. You
Yes.
think?
Yes, sir. Firstly, I thought that it's a not will not get job. After demo sessions, I came to know that okay, they are teaching very good, like Varun sir, Sudhir sir, Kondareddy sir. Then I took admission and I attended 2 months of training there. After 2 months of training, I got Deloitte application I received. Then I went to Deloitte and I got selected, sir.
Super. So that means, when you interacted with us in the initial sessions, how you impressed, so what exactly impressed you?
Like motivations, push-ups, like being a backbone for us. Then teaching exactly the way the teaching the concepts, real-time experiences. Abid sir also teaches us communication skills like that.
So,
I'm impressed.
It makes sense that so the immense you so the development in the personality
Yeah,
development
yes.
wise, when we can say about so Abid's sessions, so automatically you will feel bit confident. So how the stage fear and everything, it must be go out from your things.
Yes, sir.
So everyone, when you are doing pursuing MBA, you have a confidence, but when you are interacting 50 people, when you are dealing with the 50 people, how the things we need to cover, that is
Yes.
most impressive thing in there. So subject point of view, so when you are going with the finance and accounting side, so what you learn from your graduation, it is a different when you are coming to
Yes.
here. So how do you feel like about that?
In graduation, they usually thought what is there in the book, not no real time examples, nothing. But in SV, we got what a company needs, what we are learning. That we all thought in SV. So I got impressed by that, and continuously I'm coming to SV for 2 months.
Nice. So how about your comment about IFRS? Because when we interact with an IFRS, so overall Indian accounting standards very different and IFRS is different. So can you please comment on that?
Firstly, I don't know what is IFRS only, sir. In graduation, after coming to SV, I got a clear explanation, and a real time examples. After that, I came to know that this is IFRS. So I learned IFRS easily, sir.
Nice. Each standard how it would be worked.
Yes.
That is important. Yeah. So coming to how many rounds were completed with the Deloitte?
Actually, 4 rounds, sir. First round is voice and Vasant.
Oh, nice.
That is a big important round.
Yeah.
For communication, I trained up in communication, so I cleared it very easily. Next, assessment, that also I cleared. Next, HR in SV, I learned training sessions from Varun sir. So next, operation round,
The most important.
and then in operation round, mostly I faced questions, situation questions, finance questions. So I cleared it very easily, sir.
Have you informed your parents?
Yes, sir, I informed. They were very happy because after graduation, 1 year I got Deloitte, sir. 1 year I full struggled for job, for MNC job, and finally I got in Big Four company, sir.
That's great. That's great that, like, so always it's like, when we are working hard, definitely the things should become good results. Definitely you can keep in your mind that. So when we work hard, the things should be definitely it work out. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, so AR accounts receivable, like, cash applications and the business dealing of this all applications is the most important. So focus about the ERP systems, how it would work, and what a reality would be. They just, you can focus about that. Definitely you'll do in your best.
Okay.
Okay. And once again, all the best. Do your best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.